FPU stands for the Film Production Unit of the RAF, a very specialized unit stationed not far from nowhere and nowhere near anywhere. It is an ideal spot. Production 26 is on the floor, which means that they are shooting, which in effect means that they are working. And why do you suppose they're working? Yes, the visit of two CNCs is a great occasion, and Production 26 is the biggest project yet undertaken by the RAF Film Unit. Incidentally, that chap is the director, throwing his weight about slightly more than usual for obvious reasons. Air Marshal Sir Arthur Barrett of Technical Training Command and Air Marshal Sir Philip Babington chat with members of the unit. You can probably recognize the director again. I don't know what he's saying, but it looks like the clearest case of bobbing I've yet seen. Here's the sound recordist. His box of tricks is working today, unusual, hence the smile. Production 26 is to be a feature film, and will tell the story of Flying Training Command. 5 hours and 29 rehearsals later, the lighting expert is satisfied. As a result, a scene is shot. Here it is, and this is exactly as long as it'll be. But joking apart, in spite of all this, it should be good. So look out for it to appear in 3 or 4 years' time.
Production 26. Some time ago, we showed you a film in the making, a film produced and acted by members of the RAF. At that time, it was impossible to tell you where the studio was located. Like everywhere else, it was somewhere in England. Today, we're able to tell you that somewhere in England was Pinewood Studios. Now that Production 26 is finished, you can see it at your local under the name of Journey Together. The premiere of this film was held at the Odeon Cinema, Leicester Square, and a crowd of some 8,000 people watched the arrival of many prominent personalities.